Hello, I'm Rusty Williams, President and CEO of UTC. I'm here today to invite you to come be a part of the Region 9 Technology Workshop that's going to be held from September the 3rd through September the 5th in Spokane, Washington. And it's going to be held at the historic Davenport Hotel. Everything you need to know about that conference can be found at this link here on the screen. Go in there and you'll find a lot of things about hotels and conference registrations. You'll also see the agenda. When you look at the agenda, you'll see there's going to be a lot of great speakers and a lot of great topics. I'll be there as well, and we'll be talking about what's going on at UTC and things maybe that's going on in the industry. So I hope you're there and we'll be a part. But to begin the conference, we're going to do a tour of the Itron facility, which is located nearby. So that information is on the website as well. So if you're interested in that, the space is limited. So if you're interested in that, go on and register for that. And I look forward to a wonderful tour there with Itron. You know, these events wouldn't be possible without our sponsors. You see the sponsors' logos here on the screen. It couldn't happen without them. So I thank them for being a part and helping us put on a great event. There'll be an expo floor during the conference. It's sold out, as a matter of fact, and that's a great opportunity for people to get out and talk to some of our associate members that are there and talk about the products they sell, the services they provide. So I look forward to that. Don't miss this opportunity to network professionally and personally with the people that are there. You can grow your network. You'll learn things that you can take back to work with you, and it'll be an enjoyable time on top of that. I look forward to seeing you in Spokane.